Welcome to the Dow Marketer. Today, we'll show you how to use Midjourney and AI apps to create animated images. We will then use AI algorithms to bring your image to life. You can choose from various styles and adjust the settings to your liking. Once you're happy with your animation, you can export it and share it on social media or use it in your own projects. This great way to add a dynamic and engaging element to your content. Give it a try and let us know how it turns out. Let's dive in.
Alright, welcome guys. How are you today? Welcome to the Day Marketer. And today I'm gonna show you how to generate AI animated images using ChatGPT, OpenAI, also Midjourney, and the other app it's called DID. So we're gonna be using those three apps today to generate AI image that I created on my social media post. You can find that link down below in my YouTube channel so you can check it out of that AI generated image that I did a few days ago. So how are we going to do this today? We're going to start by opening up our browser. Okay, and first by opening up our browser, we want to go to ChatGPT. We want to go to OpenAI ChatGPT, and what I'm going to show you guys is how you can utilize ChatGPT to use these animated images to create like social media content, TikToks, YouTube videos, anything, right? So I want you to stay tuned and get a full grasp of what I have to share with you today. So first we want to go into ChatGPT, OpenAI, and I've already pre-written a script of, well, something that I want the AI to do for me. And I want to put this text into Word format once we generate that AI image, okay? So let me go here and I want to give me a line from the Matrix movie and write it in the form of a script. So we're going to see what happens here. Nice. So as you can see guys, ChatGPT, it's an open AI learning system, and one of the biggest things about ChatGPT is that it's not even online as yet. It's just getting basic knowledge from like databases and all that kind of thing. So we had it here, right, just a short script, but if you want to change it because you're not really satisfied with what it did right here, you can go ahead and ask it to give you a bit more detail. Give me more detail. Oh, sorry. Boom. Save and submit. And let's just have that wait there for a while. And what I'm going to show you guys, it's Midjourney. Now this app, what it actually does, it generates text and creates beautiful AI images based on what you tell it to do. All right, so we're gonna go a bit further into that, and we're gonna show you how it actually works. Okay, so let's head over to Midjourney right now, and as you can see, well, this was one of my AI generated photos that I did earlier in the week, and these are just a few of my like random collections, like some random stuff that I just wrote. And these ones here, these are actually images of myself combined with prompts or commands to the AI system, and it generated this particular image of me. All right, so let's move on to Midjourney. You can actually join Midjourney Discord server by, let me just show you right here, help and facts. All right, you can basically go on their Discord server here and join their Discord server, and once you're into that Discord server, you can subscribe to the service to get like hourly time frames so you can use the AI system, I'm sorry, to generate these images. And as you can see here, for your first 25 uses, right, it's all those images are basically free, right? So you can generate up to 25 free images once you're in that Discord server for free. But once those 25 images usages reaches limit, you basically have to just like subscribe to their channel or subscribe to the service. It's pretty worth it. All right. So once that's done, we want to head over to Midjourney, my Discord server. But let me just hop into Midjourney Discord server here, guys, so you can actually see some of the things that's going on here. And these are all pretty much AI generated images just done from text. None of these images were ever made before. You understand what I'm saying? So all these pictures that you're seeing, they're randomly generated by this AI system here. All right. So that's what Midjourney is, and the Discord server, that's what it looks like. But let me just hop over here into my section, and what I'm going to show you guys, it's basically how I'm going to take this image right here. This is also an image of me that I blended with the AI system, and it gave me this result right here because I asked it to give me that result. All right, so let's go with this guy here. It's pretty good. Let's work with this guy here. All right, and what we want to do here is save the image. But before we save the image, I'm gonna show you how to generate images. All right, I'm gonna show you how to generate images using Midjourney. So the command you want to put in here, it's imagine, right? And once you put in imagine, you can basically tell it whatever you want to do. So let's say, for instance, give me a cute alien puppy living its best life. Best life. All right, so let's just give it something like that. Oh, and see what happens here. Give me a cute alien puppy living its best life. Now it does take sometimes maybe a minute or two to actually produce the image, but oh, here we go. That was pretty quick. So let's see what this image generates. And wow, wow, I just told it what I wanted, right? And we're gonna see the final results of a cute alien puppy living its best life. Wow. And these are the images that this app just randomly created based on the prompts that I gave earlier. All right, that's pretty cool. But what I want to show you, how you can blend images. So let me show you. I just copied that link, I think. So let me just go ahead and put back imagine here, right? And let's say, for instance, I want to use this. Let me copy the link here, and let me just paste it right there. I don't think that's gonna work because it's a PNG format, I think, and it needs a JPEG. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna download this image, right? Save this image. We're gonna X this off here, close that right there. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna upload the file so you get it as a JPEG file, hopefully. Let's see. Send that back here, right? And copy the link. Now let's see if you get a JPEG image link on the end of it. It's still PNG, so that's not gonna work. Right, I wanted to show you guys how you can actually blend images using Midjourney. Alright, but we'll do that in another video coming up. But I'm gonna show you guys how to make this thing actually work. Okay, so next you want to go over to the second app that we have here, and it's called DID. You can sign up for a free account. It's totally free. And you also get like free credits. All right, so first you want to go here, next you want to go here, create a new video. I already had like a pre-made guy somewhere there, but let's go with this guy. Let's put this guy back here. Okay, and what we want to do is ChatGPT gave us a script. All right, let's ask it something else. Give me a short description about people think and grow rich. And let's see what happens here. So as you can see right now, what it's actually doing, it's basically in some sense thinking of what actually to write here. Okay, so as you can see, it's just basically just writing everything from that one statement that you gave it. That's pretty interesting. You can also go ahead here and like stop. If you don't want so much information, you can go ahead here and like stop it. So you got this right here. What you want to do, copy, and sometimes I like use this free plagiarism checker, I would say, and boom, you just copy and paste it right here and just check it. 99.9% of the time it's gonna come out 100% plagiarism free. And there you go. You copy that script, paste it right over here. Okay, just make a little like adjustments here and there for it. Boom. And you want to change the tone. Sometimes you want to change the tone, right? So let's see here. What tone do we want to use? Or what style do we want to use here? Do we want to make it a bit exciting or happy or cheerful? Let's say hopeful. I'll go with hopeful. Alright, so let's use that one. And once you're done uploading your script, you can type your script, upload your script, or upload a voice audio. And it basically generates the script that you've placed in this box here using the audio that you uploaded. Alright, so let's go ahead here and okay, no text here, that was a mistake, my bad. Let's just go ahead here and generate one of these videos and see what comes out. I'm pretty excited. I'm super pumped to see what kind of video we get on this final output. So just stay tuned and we'll see what's going on. Alright, but these are, for me, the three simplest apps you can use or get a basic understanding of to make these outstanding and beautiful videos. Alright, so let it do its thing over there, and we just want to jump back over into my Midjourney Discord server here, and let's go and see what's cooking. Like, man, it's so crazy the kind of ideas that like people come up with. Like some of the things that people come up with, man, it's like super crazy. Alright, wow, this one's a beautiful portfolio website, and that's what you get. That's super crazy. So let me just go ahead and see here. My video is completed. It's 51 seconds. Now, let's see.
Think and Grow Rich is a self-help book written by Napoleon Hill in 1937. The book is based on Hill's interviews with successful business leaders and entrepreneurs of his time,
And there
including
you
Andrew
have it,
Carnegie and
guys.
Henry Ford.
I mean, in
It
some
provides a
sense, it's
blueprint for
kind of
achieving financial
not the
success and personal
best
prosperity through a combination of
output,
positive
but
thinking,
it kind of
visualization,
gives
and
you an
taking
idea
action.
of how you can go
The
ahead
book is considered a
and generate
classic in the
these
self-help and
free
personal
videos,
development
not free
genre
videos,
and
these
has sold
AI
millions of
generated
copies
videos,
worldwide.
right? And
It
just
covers
use
various
them for like
topics such as how to
content.
overcome
But
fear and doubt, how to
in
develop a
my next
positive
video, I'm gonna
mindset, and
explain
how to turn
exactly
one's desire for
how
wealth and
you do
success
that.
into
So
reality.
just stick around and I'll show
Think
you
and Grow
more.
Rich
I've
is a
got a lot of
practical guide for
tips,
those looking to
a
achieve
lot more
success in
information
any
with
area of their
Chat
life.
GPT, OpenAI, Midjourney, and all the works. So just stay tuned. See you around.